A serious blunder for Kaizer Chiefs.
As Ngcobo goes for it. Oh my word. Oh my goodness. Nkosingiphile Ngcobo, what a star. His star was born a long time ago, but it continues to burn brighter and brighter.
Flat-footed the keeper is. Couldn't see the ball. Nkosingiphile Ngcobo knew how to put that thing in the bag.
A left-footed stunner. Shabalala left almost helpless. He gets the slightest of touches, but it was always destined for the very top corner.
Now, Chiefs seize upon the loose ball through Blom. Ngcobo on his left. Oh, Ngcobo! And in a flash, the Chiefs have turned this one around. That is an absolutely astounding goal. Only barely took a second to think about it before blazing it into the bottom corner.
Conversations with players about him in the field of play never stops talking.
Ngcobo! Oh, that is a special goal from the player who scores special goals.
Tell you what, it looks good because they all get involved. Blom setting up. Ngcobo.
I mean, in the 2 games the Chiefs have won, this time they had scored 2 goals, I think, against
Ngcobo!
But this time they had scored 2 goals, and Ngcobo says, well, we'll score around the 70th minute.
He is so cool when he gets into that area. He's a machine, is a machine when he gets into that area. Nkosingiphile Ngcobo.
The talent on this boy, so amazing.
Picked out by Mashiane. Could be something on here for Nkosingiphile. Ngcobo comes off the upright, but then goes wide. Oh, what a start that would have been for Kaizer Chiefs, and that wasn't too far off. And I fancy it just shaved the outside of that left-hand upright to Sage Stevens.
Well, it does. I mean, it's a quick turn from him, quick thinking, good technique.
Now Ngcobo. Close.
4 minutes added, Stanton Fredericks. 4 minutes. Here is Ngcobo now. Lines up a shot-at goal. Comes off the upright. Chance is still alive. Dolly.
As he was introduced, very little space, decides to have a crack at it and almost beats Buthelezi.
Amazulu cementing their place at the moment in second. Could be a chance here for Chiefs to equalize, and they've got it. And it's a brace from Mayama. Well worked goal. Twice they've come from behind. As he makes it 7 for the campaign. Now the outright leading goal scorer for Chiefs. Yes, Leboham Manyama has overtaken Leonardo Castro. Lorkovic combining with Castro. Good work here from Castro. Manyama is calling for it. He's on a hat-trick, but it's Ngcobo on the ball. Ngcobo plays it to Manyama here for the hat-trick!
The way he landed.
Turiso Masangu.
Oh, Schotte is stolen it here. Chance for Chiefs to wrap it up. Surely now. Ngcobo tees it up. Easy as you like. For Patucheto Nange.
Good effort here because Sekgotla presses. But the amount of work that Ngcobo still had to do, watch this, the awareness, the decision making that he still had to do.
Festivals yielding in excess of 15 goals. This is Taberi. Can he convert? He can!
What a celebration that is. But now, sweet water given Tivedi, stepping up into the occasion, putting Kaizer Chiefs 1 up ahead. Brilliant run of the ball movement that he made there.